Well, that's it, people. Only 6, well, 7, not a lot in the drawings, but hope you guys really enjoyed it. This is my first time drawing cartoon animals. He made this in the fan art of Cartoon Network, but this is animals. I may spell animals wrong, so don't get mad at that. So I'll make another one, number 2, when I get time. Alright guys, see ya. Victorious 3451. Try again, Victorious 3451. I showed it twice. And the song by Victorious Soundtrack 2.0. See you guys.